Welcome to Engineer's Kitchen. In this episode, we want to talk about one of our new ingredients, the Xenon Process Recorder. Franziska, what can you tell us?
The Xenon Process Recorder, with that you can record your process and later replay and analyze the data.
So it's a kind of capture and replay functionality.
Exactly.
Like a video recorder.
Almost. So you see the process on your screen as it was when you recorded it.
Cool. Can you show us something about it?
Yes. I have an energy project, but it's valid for any kind of manufacturing process. Here I have already recorded some data. You see a process recorder screen. It has 4 lists. Here you see the events that will happen after the current timestamp. You see here the current timestamp, so this is some time in the past. You see also a timeline. I have here from 9:30 to 10 some data I want to replay. I can replay it, so in automatic mode it replays some data. You see here some animation. That's what happened in real. Someone was operating here. I can also pause. I can analyze what will happen next. I can do a single step. I can also step backwards again, so to get a more detailed view. Yes, that's the process recorder.
So you have markers in time, so to say, which you can set, and then you can navigate to those and see what happens.
So you can, in the editor, define which variables you are interested in. So it's based on the variables. And those you're interested in, we record. And here you see every value change or status change.
Status change, okay. I guess this could be also very helpful for training and for education of people, so not only for analysis of errors or mistakes, but it's very, very wide-set feature from that point of view. Another question which comes to my mind, what happens if somebody changes something in a project, like a new switch or a new screen or whatever? Can the system handle that?
Yes, if you configure project versioning in combination with the process recorder. So when you check the version active, every time you change the major version or the minor is changed by making some project backups, you reload it, you get a new project version in the process recorder. And when I step backward or forward and I hit this marker from the time where I reloaded, then I get the project backup restored. So I will now go, let's see what have we done. I have one marker at 36. Should be somewhere.
So we're searching for a marker with a project change?
Yes. Here is one.
Version,
So you can step backward. And now you see it changes.
So a kind of reloading happening? Or?
Yes, there's a reload going on behind it. And if you had looked closely here, you see that now there are less. And when we step back forward again, you see the change.
Back again. So it's not only a data snapshot, so we also have, let's say, a project snapshot of all the contents and screens and whatever is there.
And it's defined by the user. So we don't detect it automatically. The user say when the version comes.
Franziska, thanks a lot for this overview. I could imagine this is a pretty helpful tool for any of our customers in any industries. It's not only an energy feature, let's say. I could imagine this to be very helpful also in any manufacturing plant. Thanks for your time. As a thank you, a small present from my side, our famous Engineer's Kitchen t-shirt. Thanks for joining me today. And thanks to our audience. Thanks for joining this episode of Engineer's Kitchen. What a delicious episode of Copert Data's Engineer's Kitchen. If you are still hungry, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.